Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, dear teachers. Now, today I am going to introduce about some records which is related to our Nalikali classes. Which records we have to follow during our sessions in this new academic year. For first standard, first we have to prepare a timetable for 40 days. Here I prepared a 40 days timetable. Which day we have to use which activities. It is related to Vidya Pravesh timetable for 25-26. So after that we have to first we have to second one is the four corners. The first corner about mathematics and science, ಬರೆಯುವ ಮತ್ತು ಓದುವ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಸ್ಥಳ, ಗೊಂಬೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಟಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರಕುಶಲ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಸ್ಥಳ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ 4 corners in our classrooms and identify our children in which corner they have what they have to learn. So first we have to prepare a Vidya Pravesh timetable, after that introducing the 4 corners, and next about here is the Vidya Pravesh diary. Here I prepare a Vidya Pravesh diary which is daily we have to write 1 page about our 8 periods per day. After that every last week of the day we have to evaluate our children. Like here I xerox these papers which is related to Bimba, means what our children learn in their 7 week, means 6 days of the week. So we have to just put write a wrong mark. After 15 days, after 8 days, after 40 days we have to prepare such type of evaluation and put the papers in child profile. Again, dear teachers, when we enter to next after 40 days when we enter to our first standard class for Nalikali classes, we have to enter first as a teacher we have to Nalikali daily diary. Here we can see the full month activities. We have to put when we CL, we have to put here when Sunday, when government holiday, everyone we have to put in this our diary. And when our children also present or absent, on that day we have to put the absent in this diary, because the learning process is going on in especially in Nalikali classes. This is for the first class. After that when we enter to second standard, our second standard first we have to take a pre-test. Last classes on the basis of last competencies we have to take pre-test. It means we enter in a SAP book. First we have to, after that dear teachers, first we have to take pre-test for second to 9th standard, when only I had to explain about my classes about Nalikali first and second. For second standard when we enter to for after June 30th and July 1st we have to take a Nalikali classes. First of all we have to prepare a SAP book. The SAP book is on the basis of pre-test and post-test, which is going on our last year competencies for first standard competencies. The pre-course is based on pre-test is based on second standard. So here I make a SAP book. Already you know what is SAP book, what can we write. Here is the SAP book for second standard. Other and next one is the Nalikali daily diary for second standard. And the main thing is about the LOS, learning competencies, basic competencies for 1 to 5th I have prepared. Means every subject you have to see here. But Urdu, Maths, EVS, Kannada and English. These are the competencies register I prepare myself. And after that here the Mausam ki Jankari means in which daily we have to put the which here is the seasons chart. Season means you can see 6 pictures here, and daily it is related to the dailies and what can our children saw in front of their schools, they can put here. And otherwise, and also I prepare a child profile. Just we have to read only the children whole information and keep in their child profile. Next, this one is completed, and other one is for Nalikali classes. I prepare also a the timetable, no timetable, it is program of work. Which month we have to do which activity, and after that here is the milestones. How many milestones come in the month, which milestones and which steps have come. First of all, we have to understand. After that, we explain our kids. So another one is here bridge course for the year, means bridge course plan for the year 25-26. It is related to only for second standard. Here is the LOs and cards and activities. So dear teachers, these are the records. It's related to our Nalikali classes for first and second standard. As a Nalikali teacher, we have to follow these records in our classroom. Without these records, we didn't do. Now, it is basically I prepared myself. After that, we have to daily what can we teach to our student. On that time, we have to make so many TLM and so many activities. We do so many activities, so many records. These are the basic and fundamental and basic records for Nalikali classes. Thank you for one and all. I think maybe it helps to your classes during your Nalikali class when you enter to take the Nalikali class for your student. Thank you one and all. Once again, I thanks to you all. Jazakallahu khairan kasiran.